The 360 degrees full protection enhanced armor for DJI AVATA 2 drone is the ultimate accessory to keep your drone safe and secure during every flight. This protective bumper ring and anti-collision rod system is designed to provide 360 degrees full protection, ensuring your DJI AVATA 2 remains unharmed, even in tight or challenging flying environments. Whether you're a professional drone pilot or a hobbyist, this armor offers superior protection, giving you peace of mind as you explore the skies. Made from high-quality PC material, the armor is lightweight, durable, and built to withstand impacts, shielding your drone from scratches, bumps, and crashes. The bumper ring surrounds the drone, providing all-around protection, while the protective rods help absorb shock and prevent damage to key components. Key features of the full protection enhanced armor for DJI AVATA 2. 360 degrees full protection. The complete set of bumper rings and protective rods ensures your drone is protected from every angle, reducing the risk of damage. High-quality material. Made from durable PC material, this armor is lightweight, robust, and designed to withstand wear and tear. Anti-collision protection. The bumper ring and protective rods act as a shield, absorbing impact and preventing damage to the drone during collisions. Easy installation. This armor is designed for a perfect fit with the DJI AVATA 2, ensuring hassle-free installation without the need for complicated adjustments. Ideal for outdoor and indoor flights, whether you're flying in tight indoor spaces or in more open outdoor areas. This protection ensures your drone is safe from bumps, crashes, and accidents. Specifications. Model for DJI AVATA 2 drone. Material: PC, polycarbonate. Package: boxed. Includes one set of 360 degrees full protection enhanced armor. Perfect for drone enthusiasts looking to protect their DJI AVATA 2 from damage during flights. Pilots flying in challenging or tight environments where collisions are more likely. Those looking to enhance their drone's durability and longevity. With the 360 degrees full protection enhanced armor, you can fly your DJI AVATA 2 with confidence, knowing it's protected from accidental crashes and impacts. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial footage or flying for fun, this armor provides the ultimate protection for your valuable drone. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone accessories, unboxings, and reviews.